Hello everyone, welcome to my Lab 6 screencast. Today we had to create a image CAPTCHA security form. So let me show you how it looks first. So here we had a form, a sign up form for example. The user had to input their username, password, and then the security answer. So here you can see that every time you refresh the page or you go to the form, it randomly generates that number or the word. And I have some special characters in there too, like question mark, dashes, underscore. So okay, if you look at my code here, I have this function that creates the image, and I have the width and everything. And then I also have this function here that generates the random word. And you can see that my message function, it requires a message. So what I'm doing here is on this random word generator, I'm passing it into my message right here. So, and then here you can see all the characters that I want to include, and then maximum of 10 characters. So if I want 5, I'll just put a number 5 there. Then when you refresh it, there's only 5 words in there. So let's go back to 10. So my only problem is I'm doing I'm comparing whatever the user entered by using the post method and then the ID of my input field, but it's not working. So right now I have this test here, so if they enter test, it would work, but it's not working. I don't know why, and I've been working on it for a while and I can't seem to figure out what's wrong. So let me just show you what happens. So if I hit create user, it goes straight into my confirmation window, and it says user captcha in application. It's an undefined index. And I forgot how to fix that. So if we go back to sign up, it's not really doing anything. But I mean, the image capture is working. It's generating. It's just not checking for the answer to make sure it's the right one. But I do have the function here, so I'm gonna have to look over and see what I did wrong. Now, if we move over to the Code Fusion part, I found this online website. Let me show you the website. This website, and they had an example of the image capture for Code Fusion. So I read through and I kind of did what they did here. And here you can see the if statement to check if it's true or false to make sure that they entered right or wrong. But it's still not working. And here you can see all the characters. Like, let's go to my code. Here you can see the other characters that will be implemented on that image. So, and here's the amount of characters. I'm using only 5 for the Code Fusion. And then on the sign up form, I have the image right here, a CF image with the action of CAPTCHA, and then I have a height, width, and the text string, which is it's a variable that's we're saving the characters to. So you can see the string capture right there. And I have a difficulty of medium. You can change it to low, medium, or high. So let's change it to high so you can see how it looks. So if we move over here, you can see that now there's a bunch of lines making it harder for you to read. So every time you refresh it, it's a little bit more complex. Easy, low, it's really simple. You can clearly see what's in there. But I found most of the websites they use medium. It makes it a little bit harder, but it's not too hard like the high level one. So that's basically it. What I have set up, and I have my input right here with the name of CAPTCHA, and the ID of CAPTCHA also. And same thing, it's not. So if I do create new user, it only checks for the username and email, so it's not even checking for my password, which means it's not working. So if we go back, yeah, you can see it's. So if I do Marcos, and then security, I do ATQY question mark email, just a random email, and I create. It goes straight through. It doesn't even notify that the security was wrong. So that was basically it for my lab 6. I'm not too far from being done. I'm pretty sure it's something simple that I'm missing. Something that I forgot how to do, which is this if statement. This if statement right here. Right there. Form submitted. So hopefully I can get this done today in lab and lecture. I'd like to know what's wrong with this. So thank you to watching my lab 6 presentation on image captcha. See you next time.